si Rodilio. Dating gumagamit ng ipinagbabawal na gamot. Nang makilala ko sila, doon ko na-realize, mas mabuti pala magsayaw kaysa sa mag-droga.
The boys are back.
The next step. Outright, outright, yeah. Outright. She knows that, she knows. Come on, it's time to hit the dance. So she gets the black, it's kinda weird, it's kinda crazy, but I think I like it.
Bitin ka, no? Mag-san 30 peso call and text combo. Kaya mag-san ka na. Teka lang, Kapuso. Baka marami na naman mag-react dyan.
Original Playboys.
Kailangan ba ng magwakas itong pag-ibig? Bukas di wala ka na sa aking isip. Hindi mo ba naaalala ang mga kahapon? Kagabi ay anong saya, anong tamis.
Sarap talaga siya. Ano pa hinihintay nyo?
What's the clock? What's the clock? What's the clock? What's the clock?
Ladies and gentlemen, Omicron the graduates, 700 students and only 2 passers with the highest grade of 74.9. Give a round of applause to her. Omicron, itududong, ito'y patuloy.
A pleasant afternoon to all, to me, to you, we, Bill, and everyone. Tonight, I am graduation, and I am proud of me. I invitation you all to eat our house because I know Sunday that I will eat your house too. I will buy 10 chickens, 7 girls, and 3 boys to eat you all. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. I'm sure you will come because I'm graduation. Many thanks you very so much. God bless always. Yo, 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 yo!
Una sa lahat, hindi ako ang gitera. Kasi maganda ako.
Akala niyo siguro ganun lang kadali maging bakla, no? Nako, kung alam niyo lang.
Ay nagulat ng buksan ng pinto. Sagot ng mga tao ay bigyan na hinto. Bukas na saday, bukas na saday. Sige lang, bukas na saday.
saw before is just the beginning.
Hey, yo, DJ, stop the music!